Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to grow a small crypto trading account on Bybit the right way, without taking crazy risks that blow up your balance. If you're starting with a small amount of money, the key is consistency, discipline, and avoiding the mistakes that wipe out beginners. Before you even open a trade, make sure your risk per trade is tiny. Most traders with small accounts risk way too much. A good rule is to keep your risk between 1 and 2% of your account on each position. That way, even if you hit a losing streak, your account survives and you can keep trading. Bybit makes this easy because you can adjust position size directly from the order box before placing the trade. Another important thing is to avoid using high leverage just because your account is small. Leverage can be useful, but it can also destroy your balance in seconds if you don't control your entry, stop loss, and position size. On a small account, lower leverage like 2x, 3x, or even 5x is more than enough. You want leverage to help you participate in trades, not gambling. Make sure you're only trading high-volume pairs like BTC USDT, ETH USDT, or SOL USDT. These pairs move cleanly, fill quickly, and reduce slippage. Small cap coins with low liquidity are a bad choice for small accounts because the spreads eat your profits. If you want to grow your account faster, focus on high probability setups instead of constantly chasing trades. A small account grows through quality, not quantity. Pick 1 or 2 strategies and master them. For example, simple breakout entries, trend continuation patterns, or support and resistance bounces. Bybit's charts make it easy to mark your levels and wait for price to come to you. Always use a stop loss. With a small account, you don't have the luxury of holding losing trades. Every trade you place should have a clear entry, target, and invalidation level. If the price breaks your stop, close it and move on. Protecting your balance is more important than chasing a big win. You can also slowly grow your account by taking advantage of Bybit's features like copy trading or grid bots, but only if you understand how they work. They can help you earn passively, but they're not magic solutions. You still need to monitor them and adjust settings when the market changes. And remember, growing a small account takes time. Don't compare yourself to traders posting unrealistic profits. Focus on small, consistent gains. 1% here, 3% there. Over time, that compounds and your account starts growing faster. If you keep your risk low, trade only clean setups, use proper stop losses, and avoid emotional decisions, your Bybit account will grow safely and steadily. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more trading guides and tutorials.